Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to activate Always Translate page in Chrome on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. Well, first thing first, you can open Chrome browser on your device. Okay, after that, here you can open the website you need to translate. Well, and then please click on three dots at the top right corner. And then here you can select Translate option. Next, you can click this option. And then you can select this one to activate Always Translate on your Chrome browser. Well, that's the tutorial on how to activate Always Translate in Chrome on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.